Hey, welcome to the CO2 car unit where you're going to build the dragster you can see behind me. That is your final product. Before you can begin, before you get admitted to the wood lab, I need you to pass the safety unit, the safety test, and the slideshow that goes with it on the computer. So you don't necessarily have to be out here on these, but any computers in the lab. The very first thing when you get into CO2 is head to the Blackboard page, complete the worksheet with the slideshow, and take the test on safety so that you know the equipment in here and you feel at least a little bit more knowledgeable and comfortable using it. So in these next few videos, I'm going to take you around the room, what you need to know to have a cool, successful CO2 car. Alright, once you pass the safety test, you've shown me the score, get admitted to the wood lab. Your first thing you're going to get is your wood block, your blank. Then I'm going to tell you to come up with a design. And you're going to trace your block on a nice piece of graph paper. I have two of them taped together because the block's not big enough. And you're going to measure out the CO2 cartridge hole. That's on you. You can handle that. And then draw your design. This is the completed design for that student right here. That's going to take you some time, so you need to store your equipment. The drawing, the block, you can store over here in our black cabinet. Every hour, I can put 4 students into CO2 at a time. So there's four like sections per hour. So you just put yours in here and keep track of it. You're going to get a body blank and a wheel set that goes with it. You're going to want to hang on to this until race day. Put it all in your bin. Obviously, when in the wood shop, there's power tools that need to be safe. I'm going to leave a bin out of safety glasses and just for you to grab whenever you come in. Power's on, you have to have safety glasses on. Normal eyeglasses are okay, they will protect most objects from going to the eye. If you don't have any eyeglasses on, you need to wear safety glasses. Even if you are working at the center table, and people are working at these, you need to have them on. So, safety glasses here, get in the habit of grabbing them right away. I'm just taking a quick tour of where everything's at. It's a small room, but there's different purposes. We have 2 very small bandsaws, and they work fine, they're great. And down the line, we have 2 drill presses. This is the primary drill press we're going to use for cutting your axles out. Notice we have portable shop backs here in class. We don't have a ventilation system. We have shop backs that we hook up to the back of these. We also have a shop back on this table, so when you're dusting with our hand sander, you're going to want that vacuum end set up right here by the sander. It's going to give us the best results so you don't get the face full of dust. Underneath the table we'll store some things like rasps. These are going to help you shape the car body if you want to get a little more detail. And Dremels. So if you want to carve out unique settings or designs, we have Dremels that you can use too. All this is usually just under the table. So think about that as you're starting to design, as you get into this. It just doesn't have to be a simple bandsaw cut on a car.